Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. Today we prepared some road rage, bikers vs police encounters, close calls, random drivers, and of course crashes. Make sure to stick till the end and enjoy this one. In this one we will have one hell of a show. Biker was waiting for the green light and this semi-truck driver was so close, almost knocking him over. Let's see Biker's reaction. And later on, this driver looked kinda scared and started to run away, but these bikers were right up his tail. Helping out on the road is always something you should do, and this biker did just that. This biker got surprised. It was just an officer up for some investigation.
Hello there.
Howdy.
How are you?
Can you find a park up here? I'll just check your bike, check your license.
Is there a problem?
I'm going to check your bike and your license. There'll be a problem if you don't stop here.
Hi.
Excellent. No, no, there's not a problem.
Oh.
We'll just check bikes and licenses and make sure everything's all good. That's all.
That's cool.
Yeah. Obviously, I ride bikes too.
Yep.
So,
In the middle of the checkup, this truck driver almost knocked over their bikes.
even in police cars, I use the cruise control myself because it just makes it. Don't even have them. The FJRs do. Yeah. But these don't. So when I ride to Auckland about a month ago, we went to a motorcycle conference for the motorbike staff. Yeah. And took the FJR out there, and it's beautiful in the open road and very handy to have.
Yeah.
All right, no, that's all good. Safe riding.
Okay, cheers, mate. I'm just going in there if so happens. So.
Oh, yeah. Okay. All right.
Nice one. Cheers.
Cop was such a good guy and didn't bother this biker so much. This is just a terrible idea. Walking with the baby next to the road is just crazy. Hopefully, mother got safely where she wanted to go with her kid. Van driver was impatient and couldn't wait. He went for a pass on the intersection and that almost crushed this biker. What happened here was that this driver almost made an accident, but other driver was ready for this situation.
Oh, wow! She just didn't even want to stop.
After some driving around, this biker found some trash on the ground, and it was time for some cleaning. This biker was going a bit over the speed limit, but the cop here was so nice and he let him go with just a warning.
Do you know why I stopped you?
I was exceeding the speed limit.
Yeah, you're doing 61 and a 50. Not a big deal. Do you have your endorsement on your driver's license?
Yes.
May I see it, please? The reason I'm out here today is a motorcycle safety awareness grant.
Okay.
Every year, Hillsborough County is in the top 3 for fatalities involving motorcycles. So what we're out here trying to do is we're handing out pamphlets, just a little bit of safety information. Okay.
All right.
Here's what I'll do, just to keep from not giving you my germs. So what you're going to get is what's equivalent to a written warning.
Thank you.
I'm not going to make you wait for it. That's just going to be in our system.
Okay.
I don't want to mess your ride up.
Yeah.
Requires nothing on your part. All it tells is if another deputy stops you for speeding,
Yes.
he's going to know that you've been warned for speeding. Okay.
Yes.
It's not going to count against your driving record.
Yes.
Just warn you that everybody in Hillsborough County, when they run your tag now, they're going to see you got a warning. So
Yes. Yes.
try to mind the speed limit. I know you get there, you get out here, beautiful weather, you want to open it up, but just be a little careful, okay?
All right, thank you, sir.
All right, my man?
Thank you.
All right, ride safe.
Thank you, I will.
Yeah, nice bike.
Thank you.
After the whole inspection, cop gave him a pamphlet for safe driving on bikes, and he was on his way.
I'll get off your phone.
These girls were glued to their phones, and biker was not in the mood for this behavior.
What are you doing? Phone.
The passenger here was, what it looks like, in some kind of a shock, and was staring at this biker. Biker here suffered a crash, and thankfully, because he was fully geared, major injuries were avoided. Wheelie went terribly wrong, and this biker got knocked back by the force. It looked painful, but he got up and continued on.
Efendim?
Bir şeyin var mı?
Yok. Bir şeyim yok, sağ ol.
Another one.
So the main points that you can take away from this video is master your craft. You can only do that by practice. Number 2 is never, ever, ever show off. It's not worth it.
This speed wobble was so scary that this biker had some trouble getting it together after falling. He wasn't fully geared, and so he received some injuries. Driving on a racetrack is safest thing to do, but even there an accident can happen, and let's check this one out. Crazy Java was tailgating biker this whole time and he got pretty upset. At one point, he almost made contact with a biker.
How close do you want to be? What is that? Get away from me. GFL H22.
I first met Andy Dufresne.
Diz.
Oh, for f***'s sake!
Oh, for f***'s sake!
I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday.
What are you doing? Got you, homie.
And that is all for this time. I hope you enjoyed the show. Leave a like if you did, and also hit the subscribe and bell button to be always up to date with our latest content. Until the next time, ride safe and take care.